Namaskar. India Meteorological Department welcomes you in its daily weather briefing. So today we will look into the rainfall activity over the entire country during past 24 hours. Then we will look into weather warning for next 5 days, and then we will look into the southwest monsoon withdrawal situation over the country. So as far as rainfall activity is concerned, so Goa, Sindhudurg, Mormugaon and Mapusa, these are all stations of Goa, has reported very heavy rainfall from 13 to 18 centimeter. And South Interior Karnataka, one station of South Interior Karnataka, Chitradurga, has reported 13 centimeter of rainfall. So very heavy rainfall has been reported over these two subdivisions, and heavy rainfall has been reported over Anantpuram of Rayalaseema, then Madhya Maharashtra, then coastal Karnataka, North Interior Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and then Kerala. So, and light to moderate rainfall at many places has also been reported over these subdivisions. And this heavy to very heavy and heavy rainfall at isolated places over these subdivisions has been reported under the influence of the cyclonic circulation over Tamil Nadu and neighborhood, and there was a trough extending from this cyclonic circulation up to Konkan. So that yesterday's cyclonic circulation over Tamil Nadu and neighborhood is today lying over East Central Arabian Sea off Karnataka coast, and there is a trough extending from this cyclonic circulation up to West Central Bay of Bengal and adjoining coastal Andhra Pradesh. So this trough is very likely to become less marked during next 24 hours, although this cyclonic circulation is likely to persist during next 4 to 5 days and will have a slight northward movement. So under the influence of this cyclonic circulation, isolated heavy rainfall is likely with the light to moderate rainfall at most places over the subdivisions of west coast, that is Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka and Kerala for next 5 days. And along with that, Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada are also likely to experience light to moderate rainfall at a few to many places with isolated heavy rainfall during next 5 days. And otherwise, except this, there is heavy rainfall, isolated heavy rainfall probability only on 10th and 11th over Tamil Nadu, and over rest parts of the country there is no heavy rainfall warning. Although moderate thunderstorm activity is likely to continue over the entire peninsular India and adjoining parts of central India, and also some parts of East India also. So, as far as Western Himalayan region is concerned, a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect Western Himalayan region from 10th of October, and under the influence of this western disturbance, isolated light to moderate rainfall is likely on 10th of October over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, and Muzaffarabad. And then this rainfall area is likely to slightly increase, covering Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and adjoining parts of Punjab with Himachal Pradesh. So that is North Punjab. So on 11th of October, isolated light to moderate rainfall is likely over Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Muzaffarabad, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and northernmost parts of Punjab. So that is all about, and also Andaman Nicobar and Island, due to the activity, due to the low pressure areas movement from the Pacific Ocean. There is activity, convective activities going on over Andaman and Nicobar and Andaman Sea. So, under the influence of that, isolated heavy rainfall is likely to continue over Andaman and Nicobar Island, with isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall on 8th of October also. And also there is a gusty wind probability over Andaman and Nicobar Island from 9th of October up to 11th of October. And there is a probability of formation of a low pressure area over North Andaman Sea on around 10th of October. And this low pressure area is likely to become more marked and move westwards towards South Odisha, North Andhra Pradesh coast during subsequent 4 to 5 days. Now, if you come over to the withdrawal of southwest monsoon, then as we have seen yesterday, in view of establishment of anticyclonic circulation in lower levels over northwest India, and substantial reduction in moisture content and rainfall over the region. The southwest monsoon had withdrawn from some parts of West Rajasthan and some parts of Gujarat. So that the withdrawal line, the southwest monsoon withdrawal line passed through Bikaner, Jodhpur, Jalore and Bhuj yesterday, and that continues to pass through the same stations today as well. That is Bikaner, Jodhpur, Jalore and Bhuj. And the monsoon, there are the conditions, the atmospheric conditions are very much favorable for withdrawal of southwest monsoon from remaining parts of Rajasthan, from entire Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit, Baltistan, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, Chandigarh and Delhi, Punjab and Uttar Pradesh, over these entire parts, and over some more parts of Gujarat and some parts of Madhya Pradesh during next 2 to 3 days. So this low pressure area, we have just there is a low pressure area probability over North Andaman around 10th of October, and which is likely to become more marked and move westwards towards South Odisha, North Andhra Pradesh coast during subsequent 4 to 5 days. So here we are on all Android and iOS platforms with our apps, Mausam app, Damini app, and Meghdoot app. We request you to download these apps and get benefited from the weather warning services being delivered by India Meteorological Department. And please also visit our Twitter handle @ India Met Department, and also visit our Facebook page India Meteorological Department, and also visit our website mosam.imd.gov.in. Thank you and goodbye. Tomorrow we will again meet with daily weather briefing for next 5 days. Thank you.